What is the world's fastest bird? Peregrine falcon, the fastest bird. The peregrine falcon is best known for its driving speed during flight, which can reach more than 300 km per hour, making it not only the world's fastest bird but also the world's fastest animal. Coloration is a bluish gray above with black bars on the white to yellowish white underparts. The covered wings create an airfoil effect in multiple dimensions. The features also contribute to its high speeds. They are slim and stiff, reducing the drag that can be caused by loose limb features. Please subscribe it.